Restaurant conversation sentences. Hello, I have a reservation. Hello, I have a reservation. Welcome. What's your name, please? Welcome. What's your name, please? My name is Ali. My name is Ali. Could I see your ID, please? Could I see your ID, please? Sure, here it is. Sure, here it is. How many nights will you stay? How many nights will you stay? I'll stay for 3 nights. I'll stay for 3 nights. Do you want a single or double room? Do you want a single or double room? A single room, please. A single room, please. Do you want breakfast included? Do you want breakfast included? Yes, please. Yes, please. How much is the room per night? How much is the room per night? It's $50 per night. It's $50 per night. That's fine. That's fine. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Yes, we accept cards. Yes, we accept cards. Here is your room key. Here is your room key. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Where is my room? Where is my room? On the 2nd floor, room 205. On the 2nd floor, room 205. Is there an elevator? Is there an elevator? Yes, it's over there. Yes, it's over there. What time is breakfast? What time is breakfast? From 7 to 10 a.m. From 7 to 10 a.m. Is Wi-Fi free? Is Wi-Fi free? Yes, it's free. Yes, it's free. What's the Wi-Fi password? What's the Wi-Fi password? It's Hotel 123. It's Hotel 123. Can I get a towel, please? Can I get a towel, please? Sure, I'll send one to your room. Sure, I'll send one to your room. The air conditioner isn't working. The air conditioner isn't working. I'll send someone to fix it. I'll send someone to fix it. Can I have some extra pillows? Can I have some extra pillows? Of course, we'll bring them right away. Of course, we'll bring them right away. Is there a swimming pool? Is there a swimming pool? Yes, on the ground floor. Yes, on the ground floor. Can I order food to my room? Can I order food to my room? Yes, room service is available 24 hours. Yes, room service is available 24 hours. Could you clean my room, please? Could you clean my room, please? Sure, housekeeping will come soon. Sure, housekeeping will come soon. Where is the restaurant? Where is the restaurant? It's next to the lobby. It's next to the lobby. What time does the restaurant close? What time does the restaurant close? It closes at 10 p.m. It closes at 10 p.m. Can I get some drinking water? Can I get some drinking water? Yes, we'll send it to your room. Yes, we'll send it to your room. Is there a laundry service? Is there a laundry service? Yes, we wash and iron clothes. Yes, we wash and iron clothes. $10 per bag. $10 per bag. Can I extend my stay? Can I extend my stay? Yes, how many more days? Yes, how many more days? 2 more days, please. 2 more days, please. That's fine, I'll update your booking. That's fine, I'll update your booking. Can you call a taxi for me? Can you call a taxi for me? Sure, it'll arrive in 10 minutes. Sure, it'll arrive in 10 minutes. Where can I park my car? Where can I park my car? There's parking behind the hotel. There's parking behind the hotel. Can I check out now? Can I check out now? Yes, please wait a moment. Yes, please wait a moment. Did you use the minibar? Did you use the minibar? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Here's your total bill. Here's your total bill. Can I pay in cash? Can I pay in cash? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Thank you for your stay. Thank you for your stay. Thank you, everything was great. Thank you, everything was great. Hope to see you again. Hope to see you again. Have a safe trip. Have a safe trip.